Hello, this is Epic Builds, and with another video. I will be making a police boat, and then I will be putting it in water and seeing if it floats, seeing if it sinks. Okay, here's the building. Welcome back. Now we are going to add walls to the side of the boat. The walls will look like this and this. They are a 8 by 1 and a triangular 4 by 1 piece. They will be slightly raised, and we're going to put them on either side of the seat and wheel, just like this. Next, we're going to add on this piece, which consists of a loudspeaker, a 4x6, and a window on the front. We're going to be attaching it right in front of the two walls and the steering wheel, like that. Next and finally, we will be adding a rudder that looks like this, and it consists of a 2x6 and some wheels with fan blades on the ends of them. And on the bottom, you're going to want to add stabilization so the thing doesn't fall apart while in sailing. And we're going to attach it onto the back just like this. That's it for this video. I will add more later about filming it in the water. Bye! Welcome back to our short segment of other boats I have made. One of them is this nice sleek boat right here. It is very sleek and aerodynamic, just like that. It looks like a plane. And these are other boats I will be testing on water to see if they float, see if they sink, see what happens. So that is one of the boats. The next boat I am going to show you is a big cargo boat that looks like this. Sorry I can't fit it on screen. It's absolutely huge. So there's our big cargo space. We have in the back there's a cabin deck and a sailors with a map on it. And I also have a wing installed on the top, which you can't see. Right there for extra aerodynamics. The other two I've built is this nice little amphibious watercraft, and I wanted to see if this boat that's just one Lego piece will actually float. It's a kayak, and it's just one single piece. I have no clue if they're gonna float or if they're gonna sink. Bye!